first Indian industrial PLC that has built on indigenously developed processor, Tejas 32.
The Cloud PLC is India's first industrial programmable logic controller, powered by the Tejas 32 processor. This product promises a transformative impact on industry automation, combining functionality as an edge gateway, data logger, and edge processing node, with compatibility across key industrial protocols, including Modbus, MQTT, JSON, RESTful, TCP, UDP, SNMP, and OPC. Cloud PLC offers seamless integration for IT and automation engineers.